Tato, you're so punk.
You left your sweater on the back of my chair. It still smells like rain and your rosemary hair. You said I'll call you when I get back in town, but your voice cracked like a bridge falling down. So I wrote this down in case you're leaving. Tuck the chords between the silence and my breathing. If you hear it someday on a night drive alone, maybe you'll remember this place as your home. The porch lights flicker like it's trying to forget every word we said that night. In silhouette, I keep your ghost in the space by my bed. Talk to it softly like you're here instead. So I wrote this down in case you're leaving. Tuck the chords between the silence and my breathing. If you hear it someday on a night drive alone, maybe you'll remember this place as your home. I watch the sunset through your half-drawn lines, like the last time you said we'll be fine. Your plants are dying, but I water them still. It's stupid, I know, but maybe you will. So I wrote this down in case you're leaving. Tuck the chords between the silence and my breathing. If you hear it someday on a night drive alone, maybe you'll remember this place as your home. And if you don't, I'll still keep playing each quiet